Right, the revolutionary 4-in-1 shirt, guys, ladies and gentlemen, huge round of applause. Thank you, Mr. Mauli Venkatraman, and thank you, Ayushman.
Thank you so much.
Now I'd like to throw the floor open to the media, requesting all media representatives to please take their questions regarding the product and the launch.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a pure cotton shirt?
Yes, it is. It's 100% Giza cotton. It's a pure cotton product.
आयुष्मान एकदम नया तरह का प्रमोशन था, प्रोडक्ट के बारे में जानकारी भी एकदम एक नए तरीके से करी गई. जब आपको इस तरह का ब्रीफ दिया गया था, व्हाट इज योर रिएक्शन? whenever you become a part of any brand, और इस तरह से मतलब कोई वहाँ वॉइस ओवर कर रहा है, यहाँ आप उसको स्टेज पे एक्ट कर रहे हैं, ये कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और क्या मतलब व्हाट इज योर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन द मोमेंट they brief you about the product? This is
I think the product is quite unique and it's a daily lifestyle product and it's 4-in-1 as they said. It's wrinkle free, it's UV resistant and it's odor free and it's also water repellent. मैं 2 दिन पहले मैंने ट्राई किया था ये प्रोडक्ट और एक AV शूट किया था और उसमें मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ था कि मैं शूट पे पहन सकता हूँ क्योंकि बॉम्बे में शूट करने वाला हूँ मैं गर्मी और ह्यूमिडिटी में और दो वी हैव स्टाइलिस्ट्स अराउंड टू आयरन इट रेगुलरली पर उनकी भी ज़रूरत शायद ना पड़े इसमें. So it was pretty cool. It was pretty cool in fact.
Okay, 4 खूबियां हैं किसी बॉलीवुड एक्टर को ये गिफ्ट करना चाहेंगे क्योंकि जैसे आपने बताया कोई आपके
करना चाहता है
आपके फ्रेंड आपके बॉलीवुड के कलीग साथ में काम करने वाले किसी को.
I think जितने मल्टी टैलेंटेड एक्टर्स हैं जो एक्टिंग के अलावा और भी बहुत कुछ करते हैं उनको गिफ्ट करना चाहिए because it just symbolizes them in a way.
किसी का नाम भी लेना चाहेंगे आप?
यार बहुत सारे लोग हैं यार मैं अपने आप को गिफ्ट करना चाहता हूँ. फरहान अख्तर को गिफ्ट करना चाहता हूँ, जॉन अब्राहम को गिफ्ट करना चाहता हूँ. Every multitasker should have this one.
What are the 4-in-1 qualities that you have?
That I have?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it should not be like too self-touching. I don't know, yeah. I'm an actor, singer and composer and actor, singer, composer. And lyricist, yes. Probably, yeah. In all humility. मैंने वही शर्ट पहना है सर. उन्हीं से मैंने उनको मारा है शर्ट से और जो मेरे को झप्पी लगा के गए थे वो झप्पी हरानी तब भी रिंकल फ्री नहीं मतलब रिंकल नहीं आया इस पे. सो आई एम वेयरिंग द सेम शर्ट.
आयुष्मान जिस तरह की आपकी फैन फॉलोइंग रही है और जिस स्पीड से आप जिस रफ्तार से आप यहाँ जिस मकाम पे पहुँचे हैं जब आप किसी ब्रांड का हिस्सा बनते हैं डोंट यू थिंक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज एन पर्सन एज एन एक्टर एज एन इंडिविजुअल गोज अप और क्या देखते हैं आप जब भी किसी ब्रांड का हिस्सा बनते हैं whenever you become a part of any brand?
I think anybody who's in the public eye, be it a cricketer or an actor, like cricket and cinema, the two big entities of a country, they automatically become opinion leaders and people take care of you, what you speak, what you say and what you endorse and I think they follow you blindly. So I think it's just an extension of your personality. If you attach to credible products, then I think it should have more credibility on you as well when you are an actor or a singer or a cricketer. So I guess I think you should tread carefully with what brands to endorse, what to do, etc. etc. So I think yeah, since you're opinion leaders, you affect people, you influence people, you influencers. So I guess you should be more careful. That's it.
So my question to you is why Ayushman Khurrana you selected as a model for this 4-in-1 shirt?
Okay. So like I told you at the beginning, Arrow has been dressing young professionals for over 160 years. Okay, if you see the tagline of the brand, it's about the bold new professional, right? And I don't think there's a better fit for what we are talking of, a bold new professional, right? Than someone like Ayushman. So I think it's a very natural fit for the brand. He is a thorough professional, And and if you've seen his movies, a lot of his roles are bold, okay, and he certainly is new, right? So he really stands for what the brand stands for, which is really about the bold new professional.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, sir.
Okay, Ayushmann, you're also doing apart from this, you're also doing a film with Parikini Chopra. If you can tell us something about it.
I'll be shooting for Meri Pyari Bindu very soon in May, and I'll be shooting for Man Marziyan in August. So excited for both the films because they have different textures, brilliant scripts, and brilliant actresses also. Both have lost weight, so I'm excited.
Okay, Meri Pyari Bindu will also remind us of Padosan, what Surinder Saab had done long back. Have you taken some references from there? And what the film is all about?
I think it's too early to speak about the content of the film, but yeah, maybe there'll be some reference. Yeah.
So your shirt will be wrinkle free. What about your pants? Gonna wear that? There will be a lot of
I'm
wrinkles.
wearing arrow head to toe, pants, shirt, and even the jacket. So yeah, I'm all in arrow. So do you also make underwears?
Not yet, but we will see.
Thank you.
They'll be wrinkle free, I suppose.
Yeah. Water repellent, wrinkle free.
How is the experience working with Parikini Chopra?
We are undergoing workshops right now, so I'm reading every day. After this, I'll be again going for the workshop. And it's pretty good, and she's a very talented actor, brilliant singer as well. She's playing a singer in the film. So it'll be very exciting because two singers working together for the first time maybe. So yeah.
So everybody has a lucky color. So there are a lot of collection. So what is your favorite and unlucky color for you?
I like all the colors, yeah. I prefer, of course I like green. I'm wearing green right now. And I've added this Russian badge today because I recently went to Moscow. So I guess it depends on what are you adding on top of it. Like a simple plain shirt and trousers if you just wear white sneakers with it, so it just looks cool. So I guess, yeah, all the colors are bright, all the colors are good, I think.
Thank you.
Right, thank you, ladies and
Thanks so much.
gentlemen. Hope you were all as entertained as I was. And thank you, Ayushmann. Thank you, Mr. Venkatraman. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please proceed for lunch.
Thank you so much.